Hello, this is Stanley Peterson. This video is basically for Bonnie Dumanis, San Diego County District Attorney. I've been trying to get a hold of you for years. Again, I'm Stanley Peterson. I live at 2848 Jefferson Street, apartment 102 in Carlsbad, California. I've been a resident of San Diego County since 1969. So I've seen a lot in that period of time. But what I've been trying to get a hold of you on is a miscarriage of justice within the judicial system. And I sent you a DVD certified last year stating my complaints and my evidence and so on and so forth. Never got a response. And I even put ads in the North County Times 3 different occasions asking you to call me, but you never did call me. And I'm always wondering why. It's because what I'm talking about is the truth and nothing but the truth, so help me God. My late wife and I filed a lawsuit in and for the county of San Diego, and how we were treated as senior citizens by the judicial system is a story within itself, but I won't go into that. I think you know about it already, but it was a fix, it was a dog and pony show, and we were instructed by our attorneys that we could take it to the jury, which was one big lie. But I sent you letters, I sent you a DVD on this case, but I think it unravels not only through the state bar and the Supreme Court or the whole judicial system within the state of California, but it just shows how shallow, I mean shallow, the legal system in the state of California has become. And if we can't trust the district attorney, if we can't trust the grand jury looking at evidence and then prosecuting those people that are that have been violated, and I've been violated. My wife passed away 2 years ago, and she had dementia, and during the time of this so-called fair and impartial arbitration, binding arbitration, which our attorneys sold us right down the river, you have failed to investigate. And that's my complaint. And some heads might roll if all of this was left out to the general public. You know it, I know it. Maybe you have aspirations of becoming mayor or whatever. I know you make a pretty good salary, it's $250,000, isn't it? Plus all your fringe benefits and everything like that, being paid by the poor taxpayer again. People are getting wise to this miscarriage of justice. And I've been out to Donovan prison, and I've seen prisoners out there, and I'm thinking to myself, there should be attorneys out there in that prison too. And why not? Because I cannot, as a layperson, make a complaint and get anyone to listen to what happened in my particular case. So therefore, I'd like you to call me at 760-730-9080, and or you can email me at Peterson, S-O-N, peterson.stan@att.net. And as I told you before, my address is 2848 Jefferson Street, apartment 102, Carlsbad, California. Now, I've tried to get a hold of you in a civilized manner, so I'm sending this on YouTube, and maybe somebody, but somebody, will see my evidence, and I still got the evidence. So I know you've checked up on me, and you've just kind of maybe through my complaint letters or anything pertaining to me or your staff, not saying you personally, but your staff maybe threw it in the basket. What did we call it? File 13 or whatever. But anyway, you can check on my background. I was born in Minneapolis, Minnesota in 1930. I have a little background on YouTube. If you look under my credentials at my past record, I've served in the Army, I've been loyal to my country, and I love America, but I don't like how I was treated under the so-called judicial system of the state of California, both within the county, within the Attorney General, and even the state board, which is a joke as far as a layman is concerned. But anyway, give me a call, write me any way that you want, but first check out Stanley L. Peterson. I was born on December 24th, 1930. So I've been around the block, and that was in Minneapolis, Minnesota. I hope to hear from you soon. This is August the 13th, 2011. I think I sent you a DVD last, certified. Did that, certified. And I still got the evidence that I sent this DVD to you. But it seems like you don't want to talk to old Stan. Am I too old because I'm going to be 81 in December and I hope you're not hoping that I'll pass away due to old age, but the good Lord has been pretty good to me. I'm in pretty good health. But anyway, I wanted to get this out and get it corrected before I pass away. A DVD, like I said before, will last 100 years. I don't know how long it'll last on YouTube. But anyway, I hope to hear from you soon. And I don't know what soon is to the district attorney's office. But I know as a layman, you don't listen to us laymen very much, except when you want our vote. But if I was an attorney, an officer of the court, maybe you'd hear me more loud and clear. I hope not. But anyway, give me a call and let's see if we can straighten this mess out, because it is a mess. And it's all generated within the so-called civil judicial system of the state of California and the county of San Diego. Thank you, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.